notice that the experiment SSD doesn't have a case. It's because that's how it came out, although you can get some of the same SSDs, P4 model, with a proper case. Although it's plastic, it doesn't protect from interference, EM interference, and a normal case should be made of metal to protect it from causing errors and such. However, on my P4 model, because the drive is completely stripped of the metal enclosure and the copper traces on the PCB, it's basically antennas for interference. You probably saw I had a spike of errors reported on the smart meter that is reported uncorrectable errors. When I moved some wires, when I did the maintenance, it probably had an interference because of that, because it's pretty close to the power supply. It's just dangling in the server. I'm not really concerned about it right now. I just push it, honestly. The data is slightly corrupted. I believe I did mention this before. The Windows on it, the Windows 11 file is corrupted, yes. Although it doesn't blue screen, it doesn't do anything. It just all the time prompts me repair, update and repair, that Windows prompt. And I don't want to, because I think I found a exploit of some sorts, and I may actually clone it and put it on other SSDs of other manufacturers and see if it does the same thing. So it's not causing any issues. Like I said, proof is it's not dying yet. The attributes of 05 shows 0. There is no bad sectors yet. So you may be wondering, my NVMe, it's not protected. Is it more vulnerable? Yes, it is. Although it has some things on its side, NVMe drives are more vulnerable with no protection. Modern 4th gen and 5th gen is very vulnerable. The drives operate at blistering speeds at multi-gigahertz frequencies. Their signal are so fast, even a small amount of external EMI can corrupt data. Oh, I nearly forgot. Modern flash packs cells so tightly together, 3D NAND and so on, they actually weaker to cell cross-talk interference. So basically, they're so tight that if one file gets corrupted, it might be 3, like the neighbors. That is why my 2010 MLC NAND did not need to worry about that. It's MLC 2D NAND. It's immune because its cell's layout is larger, about 30 to 40 nanometers, and space preventing electrical bleeding, so it doesn't affect other data, just like my Windows corruption that I got. So how do modern drives handle it? Advanced ECC, when NVMe is technically more vulnerable to interference, does handle it better though. The newer error correction technology that my 2010 SanDisk only has a basic BCH ECC. That panics easy, logging hard errors when a bit flips. Low density, parity check, ECC advanced, mathematical algorithm that reconstructs corrupted data. Okay, with this calculation that I've got right here, as you can see, it just actually went over again within a few days. with this calculation, it basically got 20 petabytes left until this thing reaches 100%. This thing counts up, not down. Attributes of E6. So this, I don't know if this thing actually got a safe mode. That's the thing. It could just ignore it and carry on, or it can just go in read-only mode. This is very exciting. 20.15 petabytes left to go. However, I also done another calculation, and it can actually go 10 petabytes more. So it's either 24 petabytes to 34 petabytes. We just have to monitor it and take a look. And let me just play this then, just to show you the video, the footage. Never actually played off this, weirdly enough. I know you guys want to see the, oh, that glitched. That is very strange. Whoa. Computer might have actually glitched. Yeah, Crystal Disk Knock is not here. Fascinating. Okay, well, there it is. So when did it? It is strange. Well, that is odd. Sorry, I guess that footage won't be useful. So yeah, what we'll have to do is just monitor it and just take some notes. That's all I can do.